Alternating current circuit, in short AC circuit. A circuit having inductor, a capacitor and a resistor. One of them, two of them or all the three is called AC circuit. A circuit in which there is a inductor L, capacitor C and a resistor R. One of them or two of them or all the three is called AC circuit. A circuit in which there is an inductor L, capacitor C and a resistor R. One of them or two of them or all the three is called AC circuit. Symbolic representation: inductor, the EMF of this inductor is E equal to minus L di by dt. Inductor, capacitor, EMF of capacitor is E equal to Q by C. Resistor, R, EMF of resistor is V equal to IR. And the source, alternating source, the symbol of alternating source, जैसे सेल का सिंबल होता है इस तरह से, जब कोई सर्किट में सेल जोड़ा हुआ रहेगा इसका सिंबल ऐसे लिखते हैं, उसी तरह से इसका एसी सोर्स का सिंबल ये होता है, इस तरह से एसी सोर्स इसको पढ़िए। एसी, इसका ईएमएफ होता है आई इक्वल टू आई नॉट, करंट आई इक्वल टू आई नॉट साइन ओमेगा टी। ईएमएफ, इसका ईएमएफ ई इक्वल टू ई नॉट साइन ओमेगा टी। Now explain the separately AC circuit first. AC circuit containing only resistor. AC circuit containing only resistor R. इसका तीन फिगर, एक सर्किट डायग्राम, ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन, एक फेजर डायग्राम। फर्स्ट फिगर represents circuit diagram of AC circuit containing only resistor R ohm. figure first, circuit diagram. Circuit diagram. Second figure, in AC circuit containing only resistor, the EMF and current are in same phase. This is the graph of EMF, and dotted line represents the graph of current. Dotted line represents graph of current, E or I. On x-axis, time, t in second. First figure represents circuit diagram, second figure represents graphical representation. Graphical representation. Third figure represents phasor diagram. E and I. E and I are in same phase. That is, phase difference is 0. Figure third. Phasor diagram. Figure first represents circuit diagram, figure second represents graphical representation, and figure third represents phasor diagram of AC circuit containing only resistance. We know that alternating EMF E equal to E naught sin omega t. Alternating EMF equal to E naught sin omega t. Then current flowing through the circuit, I equal to E by R. Now putting value of E naught sin omega t. E naught by R is the I naught sin omega t. E naught is the peak value of EMF, where I naught equal to E naught by R. Peak value or maximum value or peak value of peak value of alternating current. From equation first and second, it is clear that AC circuit containing only resistor, EMF and current are in same phase, that is phase difference between the EMF and current is equal to 0, phi equal to 0. Now second, AC circuit containing only inductor. AC circuit containing only inductor. Second, AC circuit containing only inductor L. इसमें लिखते हैं फिगर फर्स्ट सर्किट डायग्राम, the symbolic representation of L. Figure first, circuit diagram. Figure second, graphical representation, EMF. Current. Figure second, graphical representation, and figure third, phasor diagram. Figure first represents AC circuit containing only inductor, second graphical representation, and third phasor diagram. We know that alternating current, alternating EMF E equal to E naught sin omega t. We know that alternating EMF E equal to E naught sin omega t, where E naught is the maximum value of EMF. AC circuit only containing only EMF, the EMF of inductor E equal to minus L di by dt. E equal to minus L di by dt. Since current and EMF are opposite to each other, therefore E equal to माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, माइनस एल डी आई बाय डी टी, एल डी आई बाय डी टी, और पुटिंग इन प्लेस ऑफ ई, ई नॉट साइन ओमेगा टी, और डी आई इक्वल टू ई नॉट साइन ओमेगा टी डी टी by L, integrating we get di, integration of di e naught by L sin omega t dt, di का इंटीग्रेशन I sin omega t dt, साइन ओमेगा टी डी टी का हो जाएगा माइनस कॉस ओमेगा टी बाय ओमेगा माइनस ई नॉट कॉस ओमेगा टी बाय ओमेगा एल और I इक्वल टू माइनस ई नॉट बाय ओमेगा एल साइन ओमेगा टी साइन 90 माइनस I naught sin omega t minus pi by 2, where I naught equal to E naught by omega I, peak value of current, comparing equation first and second, we see that AC circuit containing only inductor, current lag behind, पीछे current lag EMF by an angle by an angle 90 degree, that is pi by 2. The phase difference of AC circuit containing only inductor is 90 degree. In place of resistance, the value of resistance is omega L. this new term is named as inductive reactance. In place of comparing the previous value I naught equal to E naught by R, in place of R the value of R is omega L. This omega L is called inductive reactance. Inductive reactance. Inductive the resistance due to inductor is called inductive reactance. It is denoted by XL, that is XL equal to omega L. If nu equal to frequency, then XL equal to 2 pi nu L. SI unit of XL ohm, because it is resistance. अगले लेक्चर में इसका तीसरा पॉइंट एसी सर्किट कंटेनिंग ओनली कैपेसिटर डील करेंगे.